Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. Today let me show you how to make this beautiful pistachio pound cake. This is a very easy cake to make. It's dense, it's moist, it's so good with some rose water, whipped cream, or maybe pistachio ice cream. Let me show you how to make it, and let's get started. You're gonna start by adding 120 grams of pistachio to a food processor. I'm gonna let it go for a long time. Not only I want it finely ground, I want it to look almost like a paste or like a dough. And you're gonna scrape the food processor every now and then. Almost there. I'm gonna let it go a little bit more. And I'm gonna help it out and add 1 tablespoon of rose water. Mix until combined, remove and set aside. And now we're gonna work on the cake batter. In a clean bowl, I'm gonna add the sugar and butter. 1 cup of granulated sugar. To that I add 115 grams of room temperature butter, and I mix until fully incorporated. Add the pistachio paste we prepared earlier and mix. Now we're gonna add the eggs one at a time and mix. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now to the rest of the ingredients. To 270 grams of all-purpose flour, I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a touch of salt, and I mix very well. I'm gonna put it through a strainer and I'm gonna alternate between the buttermilk and the flour until I finish the whole amount, and I'm gonna be using 144 grams of buttermilk. And as always, I leave all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. If you're liking these recipes, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and hit that notification bell so that you won't miss any of my recipes. And follow me on social media. The links are gonna be in the description box as well. The cake batter is ready. I heated my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And here I have a regular loaf pan that I greased with butter and flour. And I'm gonna bake for at least an hour or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. I find that this cake benefits from staying overnight. So try it the next day. It's gonna taste much better and more moist. You can absolutely serve the cake as is, or you can serve with a little bit of whipped cream, add to it some rose water, and it's gonna be awesome, or maybe some pistachio ice cream. But for me, I'm gonna top it with some chocolate sauce that's to die for. I'm gonna melt some milk and dark chocolate over a double boiler. I'm gonna add a little bit of butter, heavy cream, and a touch of corn syrup, and I'm gonna drizzle it on top of the cake. When everything is melted and well incorporated, I remove from the heat, and it's ready to drizzle all over the cake. I really hope you can try this cake and let me know what you think. And until next time, bon appétit!